nandito tayo sa Calambak Cancer Center. At syempre, second year anniversary nila. At meron po silang pa-art exhibit. So, samahan natin po sila.
I would like you to tap your friend or your, kung sino yung nasa katabi natin, I want you to greet them.
Hello.
You look very wonderful today.
Hello.
So,
Hello
diba,
po.
on that day, we're going to start our day very optimistic
Hello
and
po.
positive. So, yan. So, I would like to request, for those who have seats, you may now have your seats. And for those who are standing, no, feel relaxed po, no? So this time we're going to have the CMC AVP.
The Calambak Medical Center stands strong as it continues to fulfill the same mission: to serve, protect, and nurture Filipinos' health and well-being. For over 3 decades, Calambak Medical Center has put forth patient-focused medicine as it cares for its patients. It provides a multidisciplinary and holistic approach to care with doctors specializing in different areas. Today, Calambak Medical Center, led by its president Jose Oguñano, is considered as Laguna's premier hospital. A hospital that is modern and fully equipped to treat most major illnesses and injuries. With available staff 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, CMC continuously delivers the highest quality healthcare services to Laguna's communities and neighboring cities and provinces. 5,000 admissions per year. It has remained resilient through time, unwavering even in the most difficult circumstances, and relentless in its commitment to offer life-changing health technologies to people who need them. Built through hard work and productivity within every member of CMC is a sense of pride for our patients and the communities we serve. We are proud of our history and our future. Calamba Medical Center will continue to strive to reshape health and lives for the better.
Our exhibit in celebration of Calamba Cancer Center's second year anniversary with the theme of Together, We Are Stronger. Our journey to holistic and service-oriented cancer care. By the way, my name is Chris John Martin Katatokan and I will be your host for today's event. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are celebrating life, optimism, and positivity. Ano po, so here in Calamba Cancer Center, our official venue for today's activity. So as early as now, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the people here today. Our President, sir, good morning. Our CEO, good morning, and our COO, board members and employees. Also would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Rene Bagamas Bay. Palakpakan naman po for Dr. Rene. Alright, so for Attorney Nalin Alonzo, nandiyan na po ba siya? So, pasunod pa lang po siguro, I guess, no sir? So, from the office of the Congresswoman, nandito po ang ating po mga officers. Palakpakan naman po from them. Doctors, bank partners, artists from Banhay Kulay, and cancer warriors. Let us clap for ourselves for making part of this momentous celebration. Okay po? First, without much delay, I would like to invite the Cancer Center Director, Dr. Salvador Villanueva, for an opening remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Representatives of Congresswoman Chana Hernandez and Dr. Lucas, our City Health Officer representing Governor Abel Hernandez, and representing our Mayor, Ross Rizal, of course our President, CMC President, Dr. Jose Cunado, belated happy birthday, sir. Our Chief of Operations, Mr. Joel Rodriguez, our fellow doctors of CMC, our invited artists led by Mr. Joseph Banez, and our cancer warriors and cancer patients. Welcome to the Calamba Cancer Center. Thank you for giving us a part of your time to celebrate our second year anniversary. We are very happy to note the tremendous growth of the Cancer Center, now it's in second year, serving more and more patients, not only here in Calamba, in Laguna, but also in the provinces of Cavite, Batangas, Quezon. Sometimes you even get referrals from other big hospitals in Metro Manila. Our cancer facilities, if you can go around, are very modern, cost-effective, and comparable, if not even better than the hospitals in Metro Manila. So I invite you to also look around and look at our facilities at the Cancer Center. With the help of our CMC doctors and patients, The Calamba Cancer Center is now known as the Specialty Referral Center for Cancer in the Laguna Province. So we reiterate this morning our commitment to our values of providing compassionate, competent, cost-effective, and individualized cancer care for all our patients. So in behalf of the hardworking officers and staff of the Cancer Center, again, welcome everyone to our second year anniversary.
Morning, everyone.
Apology for our governor. It's a equally important event natin. Monday kasi ngayon.
Hello. Ayun. Monday po kasi ngayon, kaya hindi maka-attend po ang ating governor. Dami po niyang ina-attendan every Monday. Anyway, ako po si Dr. Rene P. Bagamaspan, the Provincial Health Officer of Laguna, representing Governor Ramil F. Hernandez, and also siguro i-represent ko na rin yung aming First Lady niya, si Congresswoman Hernandez. So we greet you a pleasant good morning and we congratulate kayo rito sa inyong binuo na talagang yung cancer center dito sa Calamba. Let me greet first ang ating CEO President, si Dr. Juliano. Doc, magandang umaga po. Kaibigan po yung anak niya. Okay pa? Sige. So, kay Dr. Salvador Villanueva, good morning din. And dun sa ating mga guests, yung nagbuo ng ating art exhibit from Laguna, purely puro taga Laguna. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Allow me to Allow me to read yung ating message ito. Anyway, allow me to read yung message nito para dito sa inyong sa Calamba Cancer Center. Sa ngayon po, with the team Arts of Hope, together we are stronger, our journey to holistic and service-oriented cancer. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Hayaan ninyo munang pasalamatan ko ang ating mga kaibigan sa Calamba Center sa inyong paanyaya at ipapabot ang aking pagbati sa inyong ikalawang anibersaryo. Nakalulungkot isipin na sa kabila ng ating mga advances sa medisina, nananatiling mataas ang kaso ng cancer sa bansa. Ayon sa pag-aaral ng UP, Institute of Human Genetics, National Institute for Health, almost 200 sa bawat 100,000 Pilipino na apektuhan ng sakit nito. Kinikilala natin ang katatagan ng mga dinapuan ng sakit nito sapagkat alam natin na hindi madali ang kanilang pinagdaraanan. Hinahangaan din natin ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay na kasama nilang bumabagtas sa mahirap na daan na ito. Nais ko din kilalanin ang ating mga medical professionals na sa bawat araw ay nagsisikap na kahit kaunti ay pagdaanin ang kalagayan ng ating mga pasyente sa pamamagitan ng kanilang pag-aalaga at pagmamalasakit. Tunay nakikita natin ang kabutihan ng bawat isa sa panahon mas kinakailangan ito. Pinapakita nito ang may pag-asa na naghihintay sa bawat isa. Ganun man kadilim ang ating dinadaanan. At iyan ang diwa ng programa ito. Ang itaguyod ng pag-asa, para sa ating mga pasyente at kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. At pinapakita ito sa pamamagitan ng sining. Sabi ng marami, may kakayahan ang sining na ipaalala sa atin ang kagandahan ng buhay na maaari nakakalimutan natin dahil sa ating mga pinagdaraan ng pagsubok. Nawa maging maalala ito sa atin na patuloy na panghahawakan ng pag-asa at determinasyon. Hanapin pa rin ang kagandahan ng buhay sa harap ng anumang pagsubok. Panalangin ko na maging matagumpay ang programang ito at nang makapagpahatid tayo ng tulong sa ating mga mamamayan na nangangailangan ng tulong. Natutuwa ako na sa anibersaryo ng Calamba Cancer Center ay pinili nilang ituon ang pansin sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Maraming salamat sa inyong paanyaya na maging bahagi ng pagdiriwang na ito. Maligayang anibersaryo at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Rise High Laguna, Love Laguna. Maraming salamat po.
Of Calamba Medical Center, the President and CEO, Jose O. Juliano. Let's give him a big hand.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Dr. Rene Magapasbat. It's so difficult to pronounce your name. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, co-workers of CMC, doctors, and our guests. Today, we are celebrating this second year anniversary of the Calamba Cancer Center. We take this opportunity to thank you all for your support, especially the managers and the doctors of the Cancer Center. As you know, we have now doubled the number of treatments this year compared to last year. This can only be done through the cooperation of all of those involved in the center and the appreciation of our residents in Calamba and surroundings. Also, this year, we have introduced brachytherapy in our treatments, thus making us a more complete cancer center. We hope in the near future we will also offer a PET scan very soon, so that will be making us again a more and more complete center. However, despite our growth, all our losses are still being absorbed by Calamba Medical Center. Because according to the business plan, this center will not break even until the end of the third year. So, Calamba Medical Center will still absorb the losses of this center next year. But we are very sure we will achieve our goal that by the end of next year, we will break even and we will not incur losses anymore. Well, anyway, CMC knew about the business plan, and it decided to create the Calamba Cancer Center for the residents of Calamba and the neighboring cities and towns, knowing that cancer is one of the more common diseases that affects our people. And since we were capable of absorbing the losses for 3 years, we said it is worth the risk because we love our people here. and with the help, of course, with our congressman. The Cancer Center also supports the photo exhibit, which is really remarkable, and the prices seem reasonable. If I only had a place to put it, I would also buy one. We are supporting the art because we are very sure that this cures one of the cures of cancer and other diseases. Again, thank you for coming and joining us this morning.
Applause, please.
Thank you, Dr. Rene Bermasbag, President Juliano, Sir Joel, and to our board members, our cancer warriors, especially our artists. Welcome to the second anniversary of the Calamba Cancer Center. So, the theme for this year is Together We Are Stronger, our journey to holistic and service-oriented care. So, as we all know, we working synergistically with doctors, with patients, and that's why we really wanted to achieve this goal of having Together We Are Stronger, diba? So, and then this kind of activity is a service-oriented, so we provide the conventional treatment, surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, as well as the holistic approach to cancer care. So, as we all know, art therapy is a form of therapy not only for cancer patients, even with other patients na nakakaranas ng iba pang mga sakit. So, we really wanted to close the gap between the cancer center and the patient. So, we really wanted to reach out. So, that's why we sort out with exclusive members of the Paite Artist Guild or the Banhay Kulay, which actively promoting art as a therapy, and as well as they're doing this exhibit for the longest time, and they doing this for corporate social responsibility, and the portion of this activity will go to charity, to indigent cancer patients. So the Banhay Kulay is a group of artists formed in the Paite, Laguna. So Paite Artist Guild is the mother organization of the Banhay Kulay, and the organization is dedicated in conducting various exhibits in Metro Manila, malls, hotels, and even hospital. So the group believe that through their paintings, sculpture, and other form of medium or other medium for this art exhibit, it will convey a message of hope, faith, love, believe that their illness, the big C, the cancer, will pave a way, and through the art exhibit, through the art, matutulungan sila na ma-conquer yung big C. So yun po. So I really wanted to acknowledge the presence of our artists from Banhay Kulay. Sir, please go in front. So tawagin po sila isa-isa. So we have Sir Otter Banes, the president of the Banhay Kulay. We have Paeng Apurong, Nestor Cagayat, Odette Monfero, Egay Dilodoso, si Sir Bayan Ray Akala, Bisoy Iglesia, Dan Cags, Egay Dilodoco, Sir Glenn Kagandahan, Odette Kagandahan, and then we have Miss Tin Kagandahan, we have Jay Banyes, so round of applause, Love Balasina, Sir Felix Steve Baltimore, we have Melencio Baisauli, Welax Baisauli, we have Nelson Basa, we have Noel Basa, and then Nestor, we have Ramon Cahipe, Ernest Nazario Jun Galabo, then we have Miss Jean Fadul, Lel Baldemor, Angelito Lito Baldemor, and we have Doy Baldemor. So, ladies and gentlemen, ito po yung artist behind this wonderful exhibit. Also,
Maligtad na pagpasarapan ako. Hi po. Hello. Vlogging. Vlogging. Nag-vlog ka din? Ah, same tayo. Cancer warrior. Cancer warrior. Okay, let's go in front now for our daily. Ito na ako.
surprise ba, Doktora?
Ah? May pa-surprise po sila.
Papunta mo naman sila dito. Para
Ano?
Everyone, guests, I would like to invite everyone here in front for the unveiling of the photo exhibit. On my count? On the count of 3? Alright, are we good with 3 or 5? Okay, let's have it 3. 1, 2, and 3. That is the unveiling of our photo exhibit. And for information of everyone, those exhibits and those photos are pictures of our cancer warriors.
Ayan. So, yung pictures po natin, we invited 10 patients, 10 cancer warriors. So, each pictures depicts the meaning ng picture na yun. So, we have bravery, we have family, we have faith, we have conqueror, we have acceptance, healing, we have warrior, we have love and harmony, and we have hope, and then the last one is the fighter. So we really wanted to grace this activity para maintindihan and maka-inspire ng mga marami pang cancer warriors to para malaman nila yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa and maintindihan nila na we, Cancer Center, and the Cancer Warriors are working together as one. Maraming salamat po.
So these cancer warriors are actually former cancer patients who are now survivors. So as you can see,
Sir Wave!
they're all very well. So there is actually a lot of hope in cancer. No? Hindi na siya dire consequence na disease. Cancer can be treated and has a lot of chances of cure. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Doc.
So, may Naka-wine.
Yeah, apart from celebrating our second anniversary of the Calamba Cancer Center, I'd like to propose a toast for the continued good health also of our cancer survivors, the cancer warriors, in the continued collaborative effort across the various stakeholders, our dear doctors, of course our hospital colleagues, of course our patients, our partners in government, and at the same time, of course, our cancer support groups, to include our dear artists from Paete Artists Guild. More power, great continued good health, and to a better year, a better decade ahead. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Sir Joel. World class, exceptional
Mga
talents.
ka-warrior.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.
The warrior.
Warrior!
Ay, nililitsunin na ako.
Mga ka-warrior, say hi!
Amo, sige po.
Sige po.
Bakit ka?
Kamusta?
And guys, ongoing na pong ating exhibit dito sa Calamba Cancer Center. Baka gusto nyo pumunta, 1 week po yan.
Hospital kasi alam mo sa Paite, sila sa video amin, ano rin doon
Ito guys, bali, ito mga pictures ng mga ka-warrior natin. So meron silang mga na pinuportray. So like this one. So si Ma'am Fighter. Oh. Then warrior. Love and harmony. Healing. Acceptance. Conqueror. Faith. Family. Bravery. So, mga ka-warrior din natin yan mga guys. So, katulad natin, lumalaban, fighting. Ayan, kasama sila ma'am dyan. Fighting. So guys, sa mga gusto pong mahilig sa mga art gallery, hi ma'am. So warrior din. So sa mga gusto ng art, mahilig, punta po sa Calamba Cancer Center. At yung iba pong mababenta po ito ay siyempre mapupunta po sa abang mga may mapapatunguhan po. Makakatulong po kayo sa iba pong mga ka-warrior po natin. Okay guys, dito tayo. Ay, ikaw naman dito sa akin. Eh, meron tayong kasama. Meron tayong ka-warrior guys. Ka-warrior. Ayan. Kasama natin dito sa art gallery. Exhibit ng Calamba Cancer Center. So, meron din siyang channel. Subscribe niyo po siya.
Team James, hashtag the battle journey.
Yes. Ito mga nating ka-warrior guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa, siyempre, after exhibit. Kainan na. Oh, yan. Ito guys. Yes. Wow. Yung pair. Lapang the person. Siyempre, before kain, bibigyan muna tayo. Si Teacher Iya. Teacher Iya. Other ka-warrior po natin siya. Dami tayong namimit girl, guys. So, yan lang. Yes. pipila tayo habang di pa tayo kumakain. So, share muna namin sa inyong aming pagkakain. Hello po. Okay naman po kayo sa amin. Subscribe niyo po channel namin.
Okay po.
Hi vlog. Han guys. Siyempre, ang pagbablog ay nakakagutom. Ay, artist po kayo dito ba? Ito po. Guys, artist po siya dito sa Calamba Cancer Center, yung exhibit natin. Yung mga gusto po ng art, mahilig sa art, punta kayo.
Magandang art.
Yes. Baka meron kayo sa ano, gusto yung mga yung shop nyo, baka gusto nyo i-share ano sa kanila.
Hindi po, pasya na lang kayo sa Taipei. Kung gusto ninyo makakita ng magagandang artwork, hanapin lang ninyo si Press Otep. Yes, meron kami dito.
Kayo po. Kayo yung press, yung ano, yung unang-unang tinawag kanina? Yung kanina. Thank you. Bye. Guys, diba? Nakalakon. Siyempre, after this, dalapang muna kami, guys. Hi, guys. Another ka-warrior po, si Doktora. Yes, hindi po. Vlog po, video po. Hello. Pakala niyo ma'am, Doktora, ang ano nyo.
Hi, I'm Dr. Holgado. I'm a lifestyle medicine physician and at the same time a cancer. I try to call myself thriver rather than survivor.
Yes.
Nandito kami sa Calamba Cancer Center ngayon.
Thank you, Doc. Nice to meet you rin. Okay guys, tapos na ang ating advent. Actually hindi pa tapos, isang linggo po yan. So yung mga gusto o mahilig sa mga arts, you can go here sa Calamba Cancer Center. So that's all. Say hi. Sila po ay yung taga Paite. Sila yung mga may hawak ng mga mga artist dito. So sa mga gusto ng art na hilig, punta na kayo sa Calamba Cancer Center o sa Paite, no? Paite Artist Guild po. Doon po sila. And that's all, guys. Sana po makagawi kayo dito sa Calamba Cancer Center. Bye!